Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all well by the grace of Allah. It is a birthday card or birthday book. It's absolutely handmade and you can make this card. So let's get started. For making this birthday card, we need cardstock paper, some chocolates, ruler, ribbon, scissor, and same color pens and pencils. First of all, I'm taking this paper 25 semi. And 15 semi. And cutting this paper like this. Marking this paper, this middle part. And folding like this. Here I am using another color paper and adding ribbon. Here I am attaching these chocolates. And here I am adding this ambush pepper. If you wanna learn this, how I can make this ambushing, so please comment me. If you want, you can write here something. This is the final look, my chocolates birthday card. Hopefully you guys are also enjoyed this video. I really love the outcome, so please share this video your friends and family member and help me grow. Finally, I wanna say that give me a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click bell icon for more update. Check description box my another video. Thank you.